Good morning, panelists. We are the researchers of the study about the utilization of spoiled leftover rice as an alternative biodegradable plastic. We are the group from STEM 1201 of Antipolo City Senior High School. I am the first presenter and my name is Princess Marine Stella B. Manzon.
My name is Arnie Bio, the second presenter.
My name is John Edison Prado, the third presenter.
My name is Donna May M. Stretcho, the last presenter.
So for the introduction, we all know that plastic waste pollution is one of the most common environmental problems of the entire world, and this has been a growing issue for the Philippines as well. Based on the 2015 study by the University of Georgia and reported by Ocean Conservancy and McKinsey Center for Business and Environment, about half of the plastic waste comes from just 5 countries, where Philippines has become the world's third largest source of plastic leaking into the ocean and has among the highest trash collection rates in Southeast Asia. The pictures from the side are from our local organizations who raise awareness about how single-use plastics affect our environment. On the other hand, another growing issue from our country is the issue of rice waste. The Philippines is one of the East Asian countries who harvest rice. Rice is known as a Filipino staple food, but at the study of International Rice Research Institute last 2020, Filipinos waste too much rice, resulting in losses worth more than 23 million pesos a day or about 8.4 billion pesos a year. That is more than 300,000 tons of rice in the Philippines every year. In fact, rice is one of the most excellent sources of starch and has been processed and used for various food and non-food applications. The rice is a staple food that contains a large amount of carbohydrates, and starch is a polymeric carbohydrate, which is produced by greenest plants. The product is a starch, which can be used in making plastics, which was proven that's often extracted by or from rice. Lastly, it is said that for the past years, plastic wastes have primarily become one of our environmental crises. Different studies have proven that plastic wastes can be harmful to our environment, especially in our soils and different bodies of water, according to World Animal Protection last 2017. So for the gap that this research aims to find a solution for, is that single-use plastics such as sachets that are consumed daily are about 164 million, and the degradability of this single-use plastic in 24 months is only about 4.5%. This is according to the 2017 to 2019 Greenpeace Southeast Asia report. And the biodegradable plastic, on the other hand, which are the recycled materials that are consumed daily, are only 1.64 million from the 164 million of the single-use plastics that are consumed daily. And the degradability of this biodegradable plastic in 24 months is significantly higher, which is 64.65%. And for the gap, it is 162.3 million, or only 1% of the total product of single-use plastic are the biodegradable plastic, and that has a gap of 60.15%. And our plan to increase the target productivity of biodegradable plastic is by the utilization of spoiled leftover rice as an alternative biodegradable plastic. And this study aims to answer the following questions to attain the objectives to be done in the research. Our SOP number 1 is how may the developed biodegradable plastic can be described in terms of its tensile strength, texture, and water resistant. Our statement of the problem number 2 is what is the shelf life of the biodegradable plastic. And our statement of the problem number 3 is that how may the developed biodegradable plastic be described in terms of water solubility at different temperature ranging from 75 degrees Celsius up to 100 degrees Celsius. And for our hypothesis, our null hypothesis is that the researchers designed the study about the utilization of spoiled leftover rice as an alternative biodegradable plastic to prove that rice is feasible in making biodegradable plastic. And our alternative hypothesis is that the researchers designed the study about the utilization of spoiled leftover rice as an alternative biodegradable plastic to prove that rice is not feasible in making biodegradable plastic. And that's it for our introduction, and here is Arnie Bio for our materials and methods.
For the materials and methods that we used in our research, the experimentation was performed as precisely as possible. The materials on conducting the experiment are the following: 1/4 kilograms spoiled leftover rice, 15 ml glycerine plasticizer, 15 ml vinegar and blender, different sizes of containers, mixing materials, aluminum foil, strainer, filter cloth, and cheesecloth to be specific, magnifying mirrors or glasses. The study was conducted by utilizing the spoiled leftover rice and making the starch of it as the main ingredient in making biodegradable plastic. The procedure was collecting 1/4 kilograms of spoiled leftover rice and pounding the starch out of it. Then it was mixed with 15 ml of glycerine as the plasticizer, 15 ml of vinegar to make a small portion of the biodegradable plastic. Then it was air or sun-dried for 7 days and was put in different form of experimentation to test the tensile strength of the developed plastic, which means if the plastic is pliable or flexible enough to be plastic with its strength to withstand the breakage, to test the shelf life of the developed plastic for 5 days compared to a normal daily use plastic that takes 1,000 years to degrade, and test the water solubility of the developed plastic when placed in varying temperatures ranging from 75 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. The pictures indicated was showing the process that the researchers made during the experimentation of the biodegradable plastic. The scale and range below was used to interpret items in the questionnaire using the given verbal interpretation. Scale number 5, the range is 4.20 to 5. The verbal interpretation is very strong. Scale 4, the range is 3.40 to 4.19, and the verbal interpretation is strong. While scale 3, the range is 2.60 to 3.39, and the verbal interpretation is fair. Scale 2, the range is 1.80 to 2.59, and the verbal interpretation is weak. Lastly, scale 1, the range is 1.11 to 1.79, and the verbal interpretation is very weak. For the result, the third presenter would be Mr. Prado.
For result, this is the result that the researcher have gathered during the experimentation. Tensile strength of the developed biodegradable plastic. Total weight is 2 kg. Weighted mean is 1, and the verbal interpretation is very weak. Texture of the developed biodegradable plastic. The results also showed that the proposed bioplastic is somewhat smooth as a flattened, dried Elmer's glue based on the researcher's finding. The product of the first trial has a filament-like thickness. The second one, which is 0.1 centimeter thin, or a little bit thicker than the latter. The third product, which is the thickest among them in terms of shape because there are parts of the developed plastic that is fuller than the rest. Water resistance of the developed biodegradable plastic. Water is 1,000 milliliter. The weighted mean is what? The verbal interpretation is very weak. Shelf life of the developed biodegradable plastic. Based on the observation of the developed plastic, the one, control A, that is remotely put in a room temperature seems to show no decomposition through the testing of the developed plastic. But for the other developed plastic, control B, which was buried under the soil, shows that there is slight decomposition that occurred as the researchers saw a small organism feeding on the developed plastic. Alright, degradability of developed biodegradable plastic. Based on the result observed by the researcher, when the developed plastic is submerged in the water from the boiling point, which is 100 degrees Celsius, there was no change in degradability occurring in the product. As the researcher observes that the temperature of the water decreased as minutes passed by, there was still no changes in the newly developed plastic. But when the developed plastic was picked up, that is where the changes were seen. The developed plastic became very soft and it developed a jelly-like composition that made it very easy to dissolve more. That is all for the result, and here's Miss Donna May Estercio for the interpretation and conclusion.
After the experimentation, we came up with these implications and conclusion. Number one, the samples prepared from spoiled leftover rice is not capable in carrying objects as the developed biodegradable plastic is not visible. Also, the indication if using the spoiled leftover rice may not be helpful in replacing an ordinary plastic. Number two, based on the result, the shelf life of the developed biodegradable plastic cannot be determined for it didn't form as a bioplastic at the end of the experimentation, but it can decompose within few days when buried on the ground. Lastly, the researchers concluded that in terms of degradability of the developed biodegradable plastic, it will not easily degrade completely when placed in decreasing water temperature as there is only change in its shape. After the research, we would like to acknowledge this thesis would have not been possible without the guidance of the Lord and the blessing of knowledge He had given us. The researchers would like to extend their gratitude towards the research advisor, Mrs. Zenaida P. Cristobal, for guiding, believing, and teaching the researchers all throughout the research process and help in formulating and creating the survey questionnaires. The researchers would also like to give their hands to the participants or respondents who gave permission to conduct this survey and give the needed information in the gathering of data, and most especially in cooperating with the researchers in giving the truthful answers that is needed. The researchers would also like to mention and give gratitude towards their parents whom give advices and assisted them all throughout the research process and would gladly accept questions and comments from the respectful judges at this